am telling you how to download. For this, we have to type MSW Logo download for the window which we are having. I am having Windows 10, so I am writing Windows 10 and click on OK or enter. Now there are various options. I am downloading from this one. Now there is a button, green button, download now. Click on this and your download will start in a while. Wait for your download to start. It will start in a while. See, it has been started at my right side. Now I am clicking on open file for installing it. The downloading has been done. Now I am telling how to install it. On clicking on this, you will get this screen. Click on yes because you want to make the changes to our device. I am closing the browser. This is the installation has been started. Click on next. Click on next. Next. And your MSW logo, Microsoft Windows logo has been installed. See, I have got the icon on the desktop. Now I am double clicking on it. Click on OK. Again OK. You will get this screen of logo. I am resizing it as per my choice. So this is how to install and download MSW logo.